Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Assignment operator and assignment operators, assignment operators, and now we are going to see. Is it fine? Anyone is still having any doubt? So, write expressions such as I equal to I plus 2, in which the variable on the left hand side left hand side is repeated. Left hand side, see here, the variable I is repeated on the left hand side, in which the variable on left hand side is repeated immediately on the right hand side, on the right hand side the right hand side can be written in the in the compressed can be written in the compressed form that is I plus equal to 2. So you can write it is equivalent to I equal to I plus 2. So if the variable on the left hand side it is written, okay, is repeatedly immediately written on the right hand side, this I is written immediately on the right hand side. Okay, so it can be written like this. So the operator plus equal to is called the operator plus equal to is an called an assignment operator, called an assignment. Okay. So it can apply with any operators. Okay, so most binary operators has a corresponding assignment operator. So you can use equal to plus 2, you have written into equal to 2 also you can write. So it is equal to I into 2. Okay, understood? So this you can also write. So you can write most. So in place of that, what you can write, most binary operators operators like most binary operators have a corresponding assignment operator. So it is having a corresponding assignment operator. Your assignment operator is this, then assignment plus assignment operator. So most binary operator have have a corresponding assignment operator as a corresponding assignment operator equal to where OP is one of where OP where operator is where OP is one one of either it will be plus, minus, multiplication, divide, mod, left shift, right shift, bitwise and exclusive or inclusive. So you can use all these operators. You can use all these operators. Not only one, you can use all these. Okay. So if expression one, expression one and expression two, if expr1 and exp2 are expression, I am saying that it is expressions, then expression one operator is equal to expression two. If you are writing expression one operator, you can have operator, you can have plus, minus, into, divide, mod, left shift, right, like you can have. So if expression one operator equal to expression two you are having is evaluated, is equivalent, is equivalent to expression one. Okay, expression one, then expression one in bracket parenthesis is required, then operator, then expression two is very important. Don't do mistake here. In gate also this kind of questions is there. Don't do mistake here. You are having a expression, then operator, then equal to, then expression 2, then it will be executed expression 1 equal to expression 1 in parentheses operator, then expression 2. Okay, so this will perform first. Okay, so let me take an example. With example it will be more clear. If you are having an example, x into, see, I can write here, is your y plus 1. So how you will execute? If you will do x equal to x into y plus 1, then it is going to be wrong, because we are going to do x into y first. Let's take x equal to 3, y equal to 5. Then you will get x 3, 5 plus 1. That is going to, this will perform first because it is having higher precedence. 15 plus 1, it is going to 16, which is wrong. Is wrong. It should be executed as x equal to x into, in bracket, this should be in bracket y plus 1. 3 in bracket here 5 plus 1, it is going to be 3 into 6, 6 to 8. It is the correct one. Okay, so this is the, this you should know, that expression 1 operator equal to expression 2 should execute like this, should execute like this. Okay,